believe it. They think the meeting is being held online to keep them from speaking out. Interim President Mitchell Farrell says Gil Cedillo will skip the virtual meeting. Reach Kevin DeLeon, who is also under pressure to resign. One protester said those two better not show up to any meetings, especially the in-person ones.
If the remaining city council folks do not physically remove Gil Cedillo and Kevin DeLeon from city council chambers like they would do us, I have no respect for them.
Meantime, the council is expected to tackle some major items today, including electing a new council president and considering a measure aimed at possibly expanding the number of city council seats. At LA City Hall, John Baird, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Well, 3 weeks to go to Election Day. Both candidates were out campaigning. Yesterday, Congresswoman Karen Bass appearing at an event on abortion rights in Mid-City with VP Kamala Harris. She was on that trip here. And the Vice President praising Bass.
You are a courageous, fearless fighter on so many of these issues, and in particular what you have done throughout your career to be a strong voice for women, for children, for all communities, for the coalition. I thank you, and it's an honor to be on.
About the problems that African American women face with pregnancies in maternity units.
When Beyonce and Serena Williams get into trouble, when they're in the delivery room, we know this is a huge problem.
Rick Caruso was at an event in Mar Vista, heard from people who live there about issues surrounding the homeless population.
Well, gas is getting still higher than the national average, but cheaper here in Southern California. Dropped a nickel in LA County overnight. $6.05 is our average. Orange County dropped down 6 cents, where the average is $5.91. But again, I was telling Mike just a few moments ago that there's an oil industry analyst that we talked to, and he sent me an email this morning that said, you know, really shop around, because if you're in Fullerton, for example, he says a Costco there has gas at $4.88 a gallon.